McEntire Produce would be considered a large regional processor. Predominantly sell the commodities of iceberg lettuce, romaine, cabbage, and onions. We also sell bulk produce, and we do tomato repacking as well. McEntire Produce is going through quite a large growth spurt. In addition to that, a lot of the rules have changed regarding food safety, creating essentially walls which make it very difficult for people to see through, talk through, and it obstructs the work process. Getting information back and forth from one area to another was very difficult, and having accurate and timely information was something we wanted to improve.
Always looking to reduce cost in this industry. There's a lot of cost pressure, so we were looking to make improvements in all of those different areas. The software was up and running and you were getting meaningful data nearly immediately. I've never seen that happen on any software deployment before.
The simplicity of the system is very simple, it's very intuitive. It doesn't take a lot of training for somebody to understand how to use it. Not only do we have to train our people, but you have to change the culture. Typically somebody will come in and provide software or a system and then they walk away. With Redzone, we have access to experts who really looks at us as a customer, a partner, and I would even say a friend, who have much more manufacturing experience than most of our people. So they're able to come in and work with us to look at where are some savings. You know, let's run a Kaizen and let's go get some savings in addition to the production effectiveness that we're also gaining through using the system.
We were able to take it and go. The folks that came in to help us implement it were excellent. They knew exactly what they were doing.
I'm an employee. I've been employed at McEntire Produce for 31 years. We started seeing improvements in a week. It's night and day. You know, it's like your car. If the light never comes on, you don't never think you're going to run out of gas. With Redzone, if you're looking at it, like, wait a minute, something's wrong here. So it tells you what's going on.
Some of the features that I like are the chats. That way you don't have to hunt down someone and tell them verbally. They can send out a chat and we communicate. One of the benefits I love about it, again, you don't have to sit in the office and plug in on a lot of spreadsheets to see what's going on. Everything's right here and user-friendly for you to use.
I love the shift reports. You can just see the entire production floor without even being on the production floor.
I can be home, I grab my iPad, I can log on to Redzone, I can see what's going on. And it makes me feel comfortable at home knowing that my lines are running great.
We've recently gone back and reviewed the progress that we've made since we put Redzone in. So we went back and looked at the data, and we've improved our OEE by 10% in just a short period of a couple of months.
We can resolve the issues a whole lot more quicker now that we know what's going on. We can pinpoint things, work on it. So I think Redzone has helped us be a whole lot efficient.
We're also now looking at the business intelligence model, which really helps us understand our business and more where we should be working and where we will recoup the benefit of the system most and do it faster. And now we're also moving into the quality module. Most of our quality measurements were being done manually by people, put down on pencil and paper, then transposed over to some kind of digital data. The system now will allow us to have real-time information as well as historical information.
I feel like we're headed in the future. Without Redzone, I feel like we'd be going in the past, in the 50s.